Ladies and gentlemen, from the MGM Grand of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA.
All right.
Golden Boy Promotions and Top Rank Incorporated are proud to present
Manny Pacquiao, ang hari ng kamao.
The Dream.
Saludo ako sa'yo.
12 rounds of boxing in the
Wala kang katulad, Manny. All right.
In association with HBO Pay-Per-View and MGM
Yes.
Promotions and
Idol.
Yes.
Wag, pakiling-kiling mo naman, Berto.
Cerveza con character. Dual tools. Guaranteed.
Patay ka ngayon, De La Hoya.
Southwest Airlines low fares, no
Luya ka ngayon.
and full throttle. Go full throttle or go home.
Pag uwi mo ng bahay,
State Athletic Commission.
maglaga ka ng luya.
Brady, Executive Director, Pete Manager. At ringside, the three judges scoring this bout. Should it go the distance? Adelaide Bird, Stanley Christodoulou, and Dave Moretti. And inside the ring, your referee in charge of the action at the bell, Tony Weeks. And now, for the thousands in attendance
Yeah.
and the millions watching around the world.
Saan ako doon, parekoy?
Best man wins.
Si Pacquiao yun.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
let's
Get ready to rumble! Ha 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 ha!
Waiting out of the blue corner,
Yes!
wearing a red, officially weighing 142 pounds. Professional record, 52 fights. 47
Kalmado naman.
including
Murag wa lang ba?
knockouts with 3 defeats and 2
Yes.
losses. Ladies
Ano
and
ba?
gentlemen, the former flyweight world champion, former junior featherweight world champion, former super featherweight world champion, current lightweight champion of the world from General
Santos City!
the fighting pride of the
Alright!
and
Number one!
the pound fighter in the world, Manny
Pakbon! Pacquiao! Alright!
Fighting out of the red corner, wearing burgundy and gray, official weight 145 pounds. Since capturing Olympic gold.
Para ninimudong. Para sa hari ng kamao. Alright. Wala kang katulad, Manny. Alright. Gamit ang kamao pagpakilala sa mundo, mga dayuhang kalaban iyong tinatalo. Pound for pound ang iyong titulo at ika'y binansagan, hari ng kamao. Manny Pacquiao, iba ka talaga. Kanan ay hospital, kaliwa mo'y simenteryo. Manny Pacquiao, wala kang katulad. Ang nagkawatak-watak, iyong pinag-iisa. Walang traffic, walang krimen, lahat nakaabang sa kanilang TV screen. Buong bansa nagkakaisa pag si Manny lalaban na. Manny Pacquiao, iba ka talaga. Kanan ay hospital, kaliwa mo'y simenteryo. Manny Pacquiao, Pacquiao, wala kang katulad. Ang nagkawatak-watak, iyong pinag-iisa. Sa mga boksingero na iyong tinatalo, sa puso't isipan nakatatak ang pangalan mo. Bata't matanda, ikaw ang idolo at ika'y binansagang hari ng kamao. Manny Pacquiao, iba ka talaga. Kanan ay hospital, kaliwa mo'y sementeryo. Manny Pacquiao, wala kang katulad. Ang nagkawatak-watak, iyong pinag-isa. Manny Pacquiao, iba ka talaga. Kanan ay hospital, kaliwa mo'y sementeryo. Manny Pacquiao, wala kang katulad. Ang nagkawatak-watak, iyong pinag-isa. Manny Pacquiao, iba ka talaga. Alright! Manny Pacquiao, mabuhay ka! Alright! Wala kang katulad, Manny. Alright. San Miguel Bear. Alright. Yes, I love it. Yeah. Syukran. Hari ng Kamao by Dudungsak. Yes, I love it.